to speak or not to speak. Okay. Okay. Growing up with a severe stutter, I gravitated towards not speaking. Why engage the world when I could hide in the isolating yet comforting cocoon of my silence? I avoided every speaking situation that I could. And those I couldn't were often followed by shame, embarrassment, and anger. Why me? I hated myself. I hated that I was unable to say the words to express my thoughts, feelings, and emotions. Once at a party as a teenager, I meet this girl and we hit it off. We start holding hands, and then she asks me, "What is your name?" My name used to be the most difficult word for me to say. So I reply with "Sh-" and as I am struggling to tell her who I am, she lets my hand go and walks away. Well, was it something I didn't say? This basic act of speaking that everyone else did so effortlessly was mission impossible to me. I had enough. Something had to change. First, I learned a breathing technique to control my stutter. Then I joined Toastmasters to overcome the fear of public speaking. And trust me, it was terrifying at first. Then I even started doing stand-up comedy, because why stop there? Adversity is defined as misfortune, but when I reflect on my journey, it becomes clear that my stutter has been the main drive behind this burning desire to destroy my fears. What was initially a misfortune proved to be a hidden fortune. Not only can your adversity be overcome, but it is also the source of so many positives that define who you are as a person. Stuttering remains a daily challenge for me. But every time that I speak, I focus, take a deep breath, and walk through the fire. To speak or not to speak, now I choose to speak. Thank you.